Did you know some seabirds choose the harsh, jagged landscapes of volcanoes as their nesting grounds? This is the incredible story of the birds that nest in lava fields. In Hawaii, species like the Hawaiian petrel burrow into cracks within ancient lava flows. These environments offer crucial protection from ground predators. However, these unique nesting sites face immense threats. Invasive species like cats and rats prey on eggs and chicks, while human disturbance from tourism disrupts breeding. Their populations are critically endangered, highlighting the delicate balance of these extreme ecosystems. These resilient birds remind us of nature's adaptability and vulnerability. Understanding their plight is the first step. Share this story to raise awareness and support vital conservation efforts protecting these extraordinary creatures.